Welcome to this quick video introduction to S4. In this video, you'll hear from the people who built, use, and benefit from the S4 project at Cal State Monterey Bay. S4 is an online database accessed through a web browser. It allows you to maintain compliance with risk management procedures, while at the same time allowing staff in service learning, teacher education, social work, and other programs to be much more efficient in maintaining the relationship between the university and any external organizations.
It's made our life so much easier because we now have all of our information in one place and it talks to each other. Our community partner coordinator benefits because all of the documents are up to date and accessible. Our faculty benefit because it's really easy for them to figure out where their students are. It's like night and day from what it used to be in terms of our ability to manage the information.
I believe S4's placement process from the student perspective is very seamless, painless. We find that most placements happen in under 2 minutes. So for the student perspective, S4 is very simple, straightforward. It walks you through the steps and you're done.
Now they can go ahead and send me an email and I'm able to edit and then see a draft before we decide to publish it. So what I do is that I make the changes and then I send a copy to the community partner. They review and approve, and once they approve, then I can publish it. So we have opportunities to go back and forth until they are comfortable with their profile.
As more and more programs start to use S4 as their information hub, we really have in one place, we can really capture all the various relationships that the university has with the community, which is a huge advantage because we're trying to really show that the CSU is a community institution, that our faculty are returning to the community, our students are returning to the community, and our university is contributing to really add value to the health of the community. And we can now capture that and represent that with S4, which is really an incredible tool.
All of these different, right? These are all different community partners that we have, right? And all of that is going to disappear because all that's going to be stored on S4. Say goodbye to the files, Aileen.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
So at Monterey Bay, our vision statement makes it clear that we're to invest in integrated and experimental uses of technology as resources for people, catalysts for learning, and providers of increased access and enriched quality learning. So when we looked at S4 for our Service Learning Institute here at Monterey Bay, we quickly realized that we could provide the way to link a student with a service regardless of it being service learning. And when the executive orders came out around field trips and internships, we realized that we positioned ourselves very nicely to solve the bigger system-wide problems of scalability, cost savings, and efficiency.
While we're trying to grow internships and service learning and our investment in the community and the experiences of students, it's really hard to get our hands around how to grow this in a way that allows us to really be effectively managing all the aspects of it. We couldn't do it without a database. We couldn't do it without a place to manage both the paperwork and the aspects of the relationships that we need to be managing. If there's a way to help support underneath the kind of partnerships and tracking that we need to be putting in place for service learning, for field trips, for internships, this is a very nice example of a way to do that efficiently.
Thank you for watching this short video introduction to the S4 project. We hope you're as excited about S4 as we have been at Cal State Monterey Bay.